Hi, my name is Daniela from GD and I'm very excited to have you with me today. Let's take a look at our model and how we're going to make her shine today. I've chosen to work with the Artègo Beauty Fusion Color system to really explore the full range and creative potential this system has. The system includes 5 oxy milks, 2 boosters and a palette of 72 shades. What makes the Beauty Fusion Color system truly unique is by adding the booster, I get to decide whatever I want to work with: an acidic toner, a demi-permanent, a permanent color, or even a high lift color. Booster 1 is for level 1 to 6 and booster 2 for level 7 to 12. This way we can perfectly adjust the alkalinity to match the hair color and hair type, giving us strong results while keeping the process as gentle as possible. Hannah's priority is to achieve intense but still natural copper, but without the result leaning too red or too rusty. My model Hannah has a strong natural base at level 6 in the golden brown family with slightly copper tones in it. Her ends are lightly lighter. I apply junkie lights throughout the entire head. This helps soften the transition between the regrowth and the length while adding dimension and depth to the hair. For the junkie lights, I use the Color Fusion system as a lightening formula. I go with the 12.3 and 9% oxy milk and add the booster 2 for my extra lifting power. To prep, I section the hair with a classic cross parting. For a natural result, I leave out the fine baby hair around her face. This mimics the effect of sun-kissed highlights. I start with 4 foils along the face framing section. Then move into a face frame to bring more brightness around the face. I apply junkie lights throughout her entire head. This helps soften the transition between the regrowth and the length, spacing them around 3 cm apart. This creates a smooth blend between the older lightened ends and the natural regrowth. After 45 minutes of processing, I rinse and wash everything out with the Artègo Good Society Color Glow shampoo. It gently cleanses and is the perfect preparation for our in-salon color service as well as for at-home aftercare. Thanks to the placement and formula choice, I achieve a soft, natural-looking highlight transition with no harsh lines. Here's my formula for the roots: 6.34 plus 7.44 with a 4% oxy milk and the recommended amount of booster 2. For the face frame, mid-length and ends, I use the 7.44 with 4 oxy milk. In the area where the hair is heavier and dense, I apply the deeper copper as a root shadow. Then blend into the brighter copper tone through the lengths and ends for more radiance. On the rest of her head, I extend the root color around 10 to 15 centimeters. Then apply Formula 2 only to the tips. After 35 of processing, I rinse and wash everything again using the Artègo Color Glow shampoo. and finish with the Artègo Good Society Color Glow Conditioner to seal in the color. For the perfect finish, I used the Sea Style spray from the Artègo Touch series. Thanks to the super gentle and hair-friendly beautiful color fusion system, I gave Hannah a look that's not only long-lasting and shiny, but also super natural, full of dimension and totally her. She leaves the salon feeling great, with a vibrant, shiny copper that really suits to her style. So thank you, Hannah.